What's good, career boys? Just your boy Anthony Harris back again with another video. So in today's video, we're going to talk about how to optimize those LinkedIn profiles. So if you're sleeping on LinkedIn, I'm gonna need you to wake up. There's a ton of six-figure job opportunities on LinkedIn that you're missing out on if you're not taking advantage of LinkedIn. So why is LinkedIn such a great place to go to? It's because that is exactly where the recruiters are. A lot of recruiters, especially for smaller companies that are not huge corporations, they go there to look for fresh talents because not every job has the big budget required in order to post all their job postings on all the major job boards. So that is a great place and house for a lot of job opportunities for you to take advantage of. Some of them, a lot of them actually are six-figure job opportunities that are out there and ready for you to take advantage of. So if you're sleeping on LinkedIn, I need you to wake up now. Okay. I've helped thousands of other career professionals, and a lot of them have found careers and jobs off of LinkedIn by itself, no other job boards. So I need you to take advantage of this opportunity. So let's talk about how we can optimize our LinkedIn profile so it can work for you instead of you just spending hours and hours and time on there aimlessly looking for other job opportunities. Because what you want to, if you have an effective LinkedIn profile, is where you'll have recruiters hitting you in your DM versus you having to chase after other job opportunities. What's the first thing we need to do? We need to update that header profile. So your header profile, a lot of people like to put a simple term like open to work opportunity. We need to change that formula. We need to change the formula to the job title that you're looking for plus a skill set that you have. So for an example, let's say you're a marketing specialist, then you're going to change the header of your LinkedIn profile to say marketing specialist, then put a divider, then say growth specialist, then put another divider, and then you're going to put something that you did great or have a skill in, like maybe SEO optimizer or 10 million SEO optimization opportunities. Something to where you show that you have a skill set in that and something that you've accomplished before in that actual job or industry. The next thing we're going to do is optimize keywords into your about section. Now, you may be asking, well, how the heck do I optimize my about section with all these keywords, and why the heck do I need to do it? Now, the reason why you need to do this is because that is exactly what recruiters do when they're looking for candidates. They look and they do searches based off of these keywords to find candidates that do have a great match for it. So if they're looking for a candidate, let's say, who has an MBA, that has a degree in biology, who has some recent experience in a lab, then they're going to put all of those requirements and it's going to come up with a list of the top 100 candidates that actually have those things in their keyword section, their profile, or somewhere where it's mentioned on their profile. So you need to optimize your profile to make sure it has these keywords in your about section. Now, if you're unsure or unclear what keywords to include in there, this is where we're going to use our great friend ChatGPT in order for you to type into there and say, I'm looking for a job as a marketing specialist. Please give me the top 10 keywords and SEO optimizer to place onto LinkedIn in my profile that recruiters are looking for. You're going to use that prompt in order to find the list of the top 10 keywords, top ranked keywords to be more specific, in which recruiters are looking for candidates in that job industry. Then you're going to naturally include that into your about section. You do not want to just put a bullet point list of those 10 keywords. You want to make sure it naturally feels that you have these already into your profile. If you need assistance on how to actually update your LinkedIn profile, make sure you click the link down in the description. That's one of my services I offer here for me and my team, not to only update your resume, but we also have a LinkedIn optimizer available for you as well. Okay, and the last thing I want you to do is I want you to make sure that you're posting at least 2 to 3 times a week on LinkedIn. Now, you may be asking, why the heck do I have to post? The reason why it is because LinkedIn gives you benefits, additional benefits, like ranks you higher on the list when recruiters are looking for you when you're utilizing the app. The more you utilize the app, the higher ranking you become. So what I want you to do is simply post 2 to 3 articles or reactions to articles onto your LinkedIn profile that are relevant to the job industry that you're trying to get into. You do not have to make it a brainiac thing. Honestly, if you need assistance, there are a lot of content managers or even ChatGPT to say, hey, please find me top 3 articles that are relevant to this job industry. And you can just add those to your LinkedIn profile and comment on like, this is a great new idea coming up into the marketing industry industry. This is a great new concept coming into the digital marketing space. You can just add extra commentary and keep it relevant. The reason you're doing this is not just for your ego. This is so you can also give recruiters a knowledge that you're also well involved into the industry and the latest updates into that industry. Okay. If you need any more assistance, whether you need a career coaching sessions or you're looking to optimize your resume, I have resume templates which are low as $40. So those are 20 pre-written resume templates and cover letters that you can get for $40 or less. And those are pre-written and ready for you to plug and play into your personal information to help you land a job quicker. So if you need any more assistance, make sure you go to my website, legacycareersllc.com, or click the link down in the description. If you need anything else, Career Warriors, let me know. Welcome to Legacy Careers LLC, where your ambition meets expertise. Our mission is very simple: to empower professionals just like you to transform career dreams into lasting legacies. With personalized career coaching, resume and LinkedIn optimization, interview preparation, and job search strategies, advance your career today with proven strategies and expertise. Visit us for more at legacycareersllc.com.